Hello YouTubers, iPwNrs95 here with one of our very first videos. We're going to be doing a video about our top 5 games and our top 5 cracked apps that you get from Cydia. The first game that I will be showing is called TouchGrind. This app is available in the App Store for $4.99. It's a very simple game. 2 fingers, ride the skateboard, you know. And it's simple, like I said. It's actually really fun though, so just because it may be simple, I'm not that good, but I'm getting there. Been practicing, so yep.
Okay, and the other member of iPwNrs95 here, and with my first app, I'm going to be doing an emulator that you actually get off of Cydia. It is a Game Boy emulator in which you can play many different Game Boy games. And of course you can play Pokemon, you can play everything they have here. And it's actually a very complicated process to get this, but don't trip on any of that. It will be explained in a future video. So
okay. Next app in our top 5 games is called DoodleJump. I'm sure you've all heard of this game. Very simple game. Oh wow, that was a fail. But this game, I love this game. You go around as a bouncing thing, and you know it's great. I've spent many hours in school playing this game, and it's actually it's only 99 cents, but you know that's $1 that devastated my learning experience in school. But anyways, enough about that. Yeah, that's a great game. I totally recommend that game.
And for my second game, it is Light Bike. This is another very popular game. Now, this game's simple. You just have to control your person by tapping on either side of the screen. And the side means which way you want them to go. Yeah, I ultimately failed on that game right there. You're funny. So, yeah, I think I'm just going to pass this back over. I don't want to embarrass myself again.
Good choice. Good idea. Anyways, my last app that I will be showing you guys is called Zombieville. This is by far my favorite app. I think it's extremely cheap for how good it is. The graphics are actually really good. It's $1.99, and it's awesome game. You go around. You can pick your little character. You have a doctor, ninja, SWAT guy, regular guy, and you know. And each character has its own little special ability that you do, and pretty much all you do is you run around shooting zombies in the face. They always blow up for some reason, I don't know, but it's really fun, and it's very, you know, addicting, and yeah, so yep.
And for my first cracked app, it is called Universal Search. And if you could just hold on a second. Here it is, Universal Search, and the source is the Cydia source, and it's actually very simple to get, but it's very, very easy. You go to your Spotlight search, and you can just type in anything you'd like to search. So I'm gonna search iPwNrs. Search, and down at the bottom there's search engines you can use, like Google Images. You can search for news, ESPN, Wikipedia, any of those. You can even search on Twitter. I don't know how Twitter got that popular, but it did. So this is actually very good, and it does produce good search results. And that's pretty much it for Universal Search. Quick but simple.
Okay. Next, my first cracked app will be Backgrounder. You don't use the app itself much, but it's very useful for trying to, you know, use stuff in the background. So as Pandora is an internet radio that you listen to, but if you exit out of Pandora, then you can't hear it. See, you can hear it, right? The Fray. It's a pretty good song. And if you hold down the home button for 2 seconds, you'll see it says backgrounding enabled, and you hear it. That's wonderful. Okay, next app.
The next app here is actually an extension off of the app he just explained. This is ProSwitcher. Now, as you can see, I only have one backgrounded thing right now. So if I close that and I hit the home button, go back. So I go here, calendar, simple, background it, and say I background calculator at the same time. Okay, so I just hold the hold button for a few seconds, and there you go. Calendar, which I also backgrounded, and calculator. Both my backgrounded apps. You can have many on this. I don't think there is a max to this.
Okay. Okay, my last cracked app, you've probably heard of it before. It's called Mxtube. It's a form of YouTube, but it's better. It's you can, any video that appears on YouTube, you can download it to your actual videos. So I'm just gonna type something random here. I'm gonna put LA. Okay, alright, and I'm gonna search that. I actually put H. I'm sorry, that was a mistake. And there's two, stream. Obviously stream is to just view it, and download. When you click download, it downloads straight to your videos, and it's great. So it's a very useful app to call videos your own, you know. And yeah.
Now, I'm pretty sure once you get an iPod like this, you're gonna have things you don't want your friends using. You want things only you use. So this is where this app comes in. It's called iProtect. And as you can see, I protected iProtect. So it requires that you put in a password, which will be. So as you go here, and you can see it, you can enable it or disable it. You can pick applications that you want to lock and the ones you don't. So when you come here, it's all your applications. You can lock some, unlock others, and it's actually really simple, but it keeps your iPod nice and safe to where only you know how to get to certain things. Okay, so that was our first video by iPwNrs 95. Please subscribe, comment, and rate this video, and we will be back with more shortly.